Alright, this is a video of my pistol collection, and I'm going to show you a little bit of all of them. And let's start up here. This right here is my Glock 22. It's a .40 caliber, full-size Glock, including my extended mags, including my 30 rounders I have for it. Very good gun. I love Glocks, as you'll see in a minute. Going on to the next one is my 23. One that I've had for well over 10 years now. And this is what I keep for my home defense and all. I have the two original mags for it, plus the extended round mags from the 22 will work in it. This here is a laser light Glock. That's the light, and down here being the laser. I'm not sure how well you can see that laser on this, but that's what that's for. That's also for home defense, good at night, for identifying things if I have to, and when I'm using when I have to use my gun. Next is my 27, which is the subcontact version. Very good gun. Got the little mag for it. Plus it's a .40 caliber too, so the larger mags from the 22 and 23 will work with it. Then on next is my Taurus M65 .357 Magnum, 4-inch barrel, double action revolver. Good revolver. And you can see I have 2 speed loaders for it. And going down here is just a little cheap High Point 380. Bought it years ago. Really ain't worth much, so not worth selling, and so it stays right there in my collection. Old gun, shoots pretty good. Won't talk too bad about them, but they are cheap. Then next is a Ruger. It's a P94, .40 caliber. Very good gun. I like it. Good safety features. Ruger makes a very good product. Not a expensive one, and very enjoyable to shoot. Next comes this is my H&K USP 40. These are outstanding guns. Very good guns. Very hefty price that comes with those guns. Sweet to shoot. Love it. Got the 4 extended mags for it. And very enjoyable gun. Next, this is a Springfield XD. This is 45, and this is a very beautifully designed gun. Very, very fun to shoot. Very good to shoot. A lot of good safety features on it. Just really outstanding weapon, and I love it very much. Got my 4 extended mags with it. Also with the XD. Show you in the case here. It also comes with the mag holder, the holster for the weapon, and the loader, all as one package deal with the gun. Alright,